channel Homegardening, where I'll be sharing some planting care tips and tricks and also will be doing some DIYs. Coming to the plant section, today we are going to propagate a jade plant. Jade plant is very unique as we are going to propagate it through stem, but it can also be propagated via its leaves. Well, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also comment down below what propagation are you doing. Let's begin.
Let's start with the propagation. For the propagation, we need a jade plant, a scissor, a plastic sheet, I have taken it from the back, a rubber band, and a glass jar which should be half empty from the top by 0.5 to 1 inch. We need to select a healthy stem. The stem should not be green like this, as it's a very young stem and there are less chances of it to be propagated. So we are selecting a brown stem, a healthy stem. We are cutting here. This is called as a node. A node is where the leaf arrives. So here we are going to cut at a 45 degree. While cutting, do note you are cutting at 45 degrees so we get a large surface area for the propagation. We will remove some leaves, and to remove the leaves we have to twist the leaves right and left till we hear a sound, and then we are going to propagate it in the jar, glass jar. Do note that only few leaves have to be there on the stem so that all the nutrition is taken to grow the roots. Since this is a hard stem, I am cutting off some part of the stem so that roots can develop within a month or so. You can also dip it in the root hormone or a promoter. Promoter usually is cinnamon powder or honey. So let's cover the jar with the plastic sheet and then tie it up with the rubber band. Do note that there should not be any air gap. Okay, so this is an airtight container, and in this container we are going to poke holes. By poking holes, we are going to ensure that our stem gets inserted properly into the hole. You don't have to make the hole too large, just enough to fix the stem. So that's it. We have successfully propagated our jade plant, and I will be putting it in my balcony where I usually propagate all my plants. I have also propagated this Graptovaria plant. It's very beautiful. So that's it. Here's an update video about the jade plant. After a month, they have grown roots very successful. I had also propagated two earlier, and I tried propagating the green stem also, and even it got rooted. Here are the two which I have had propagated earlier, and this one has only few roots, but it will grow more soon. So thanks, like, share and subscribe to my channel.